Okay, Charles LeBlanc, he said. Charles LeBlanc. Somebody in a car might call the cops and say somebody's talking to himself. Okay, I want a beautiful evening. Just beautiful. The flag is not even moving. Everything's fine. Now, tonight I want to do a rant about le Front commun pour la justice sociale du Nouveau-Brunswick. I mark it down, make sure I get it right. C'est sûr, je l'ai correct. New Brunswick Common Front for Social Justice. All right. Social Justice, la justice sociale. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire, ça? Exactement qu'est-ce que le groupe-là fait? What exactly is this group doing? Social justice. What do they mean by social justice? I remember the first time that I met this group. I was invited by Dorothy Dawson from St. John. We met at the St. Dustin Church. There was about 20 people around the table. Jean-Marie Nadeau was there. I remember that. That was funny. Okay, never mind that. But should I say in French and English? No, I'm going to keep on speaking English and I'll do one in French later. But there was people around and they were all concerned about issues, especially minimum wages. Minimum wages. That's what the Common Front for Social Justice is all about. Minimum wages. And then there was other issues. I asked a question. I didn't really get a straightforward answer. So I continue asking questions. And then this went on for about 45, I'd say about half an hour. Then I turn around and ask, excuse me, how many people that's on social assistance around this table? Nobody. The people that were on social assistance were in the corner outside the main table, and they were from St. John. I said, I'm the only guy on social assistance around this table? Huh. Anyway, I spoke. Pretty hard to believe. And I spoke. And I spoke. Now this was 2005. 2005. Next thing you know, my trouble began with the Fredericton Police Force. Was arrested in St. John in 2006. Afterward. Then I start talking about the courts. And you know what? And I talk about the courts. They're not interested whatsoever in what's going on in the courts. They're not concerned about people with mental illness that the police are taking advantage of, that they charge them for sexual assault, summary sexual assault, summary assault, summary this, summary that. As I told you before, summary means, number one, you don't have access to a lawyer. New Brunswick Legal Aid will not give you a lawyer. Number two, there's no preliminary hearing to find out there's enough evidence to proceed to trial. So what happens? You go in court, you meet by an Amway salesman, the duty counsel, and they force you to plead guilty. You know the whole story. Now, the Front commun, the Common Front for Social Justice, they don't talk about that at all. This year is their 20th anniversary. They're making it a big deal. The 20th anniversary of the Front commun for Social Justice. Now, the more groups we have to bring the concern of the issues of the less fortunate or people with mental illness, the more the merrier. But why are they refusing to address the issue about the courts? They refuse, they totally, you go to Human Rights Commission. I went there trying to bring the issue up about no provincial jail in Fredericton. And you know what? The Human Rights Commission, oh, you're poor. It's not goddamn bad. They don't give a rat ass. But if you're gay, oh my God, welcome. Anyway, more power to the gay people. But the bottom line about all this, the Front commun, the Common Front for Social Justice, they want to make it a big deal. It's their 20th anniversary. You know what? Really, I think you should change your name. The name title, like a common front for the poor's rights or something like that. But social justice, when it comes to social justice, how come you don't include true justice, the misjustice that's going on in our courtroom right down the street? Then you can call yourself the social justice.